What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YKR. Today is part 2 of painting my Ridstar so I can trade it for something better. So just look at the mess we got here. This is dirty as hell, so low-key I'm about to like clean this up for me and my whole family so we can start working on this whole Ridstar. Alright, we're gonna start disassembling this bike, starting off with the seats. I'm just playing, bro, but we're gonna have to just start disassembling this whole thing. Alright, y'all, after a good hour or like 30 minutes, it is all stripped down. Every single one of the parts is in there, so the front forks and these tires. We're gonna, excuse me, have to give this a wash and get ready to sand, and let's do it. So not only for the washing part, but for the painting part, we're gonna have to cover these holes because they have a lot of I forgot what these are called, but you see the grease is on there, and we don't want to lose that grease because I don't got any to re-put in there. So I just put the tape over it. I don't think there's any other part that we actually got to do this part on, so now we're gonna give it a little soak with some soap and scrub this down. So chat, we're gonna be using this for our bike just to wash it, bro. Like, I don't got no other soap. We're just gonna pour some in this little Home Depot bucket. So we're gonna grab our hose right here, head back over here, and we're about to fill this junk up all the way. Go ahead and fill that junk up, and just wait. We're gonna be using this to scrub off all the grime. Alright, y'all, so we got it all washed up. Now it's time to dry it, and then we get to sanding. Get your microfiber towel and make sure you wipe down all of it. Wait. So you can get the best quality you can. So after the wash and clean, this is how it's looking. Pretty freaking clean. We're gonna be using the sand is this car stuff. I did try it on my car and it worked pretty good. So what we're gonna be doing is we might wet sand it, but to be honest, I don't really know. I think I'm just might dry sand and see how it goes, but we're definitely gonna be switching out from this, and for this 800 grit, I'm going to be doing that one first and then moving on with this 1200. Not gonna lie, I might have to run to like Home Depot or Menards because this sanding is not going well. It's basically just getting all the surface dust, like dirt that I didn't get off of like the washing off. So we're gonna actually need some like way stronger, well not stronger, like more rough grit sandpaper so this paint starts chipping off. So let's go. Pulling up at Home Depot. Just take a moment to appreciate the sky, bro, and how beautiful the world is, man. Alright, pulling up. I'm just gonna just put a little signature on it. Alright, finally found it. This is their selection. We're probably just gonna get some basic, like, let's go. I don't need no workers, bro. No workers help me find this, bro, even though it was right in front of the store. F the workers. I'm just playing. I love Home Depot. Alright, I got me some 220 drip just to, like, even it out.
Would you like an e-receipt? Please take your...
Alright, just cop 14. And just like that, we're leaving Home Depot. About to go sand this down and hopefully paint, but that might be the next video. Just because the painting is gonna be like a 1 or 2 day process because it got to like dry multiple times and stuff. Just look at this view right here. Goodbye, Home Depot. Bro, I love Home Depot, bro. Sponsor me, bro, please. Bro, after that little pull, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I saw the police hit a quick little U. So, I'm going on a different route home right now, bro. I'm not taking no risks. The coast is clear. I'll see y'all at the crib. Just got home. Hey, I'm ready to sand, y'all. First sheet. Done. So this is it finished up. As you can see, it's pretty freaking broken. It's pretty freaking broken. We're about to get this up. This is the end of part 2. Finished all sanding this part. Let me know how this video was, if it was trash or if it was good, because every little comment makes me want to do better. So love y'all. This is the morning after, bro. Like, I finished at like 12 a.m. Let me know, like and sub. We're on the road to 100 subs. So I love y'all. See y'all.